How to unhide songs on Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video of 1-2 step. If you have hidden a song from any mix or your Spotify playlist, then let me show you how you can easily unhide it. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. First of all, open up your Spotify app and then open up the playlist or the mix where you have hidden the song. Once you open up the mix, all the songs that you have hidden will have this icon right here. And through this icon, you'd be able to tell that this song is hidden from this mix, which means if the mix plays, this particular song would not play. Now, if you want to remove this from the hidden list, you can just tap on this icon, or you can tap on the three dots, and here you'll have an option of hidden. Just tap on it and that song will be instantly unhidden. Similarly, if you don't know how you can hide songs, you can tap on the three dots again and tap on hide this song, and this song will be hidden from this mix. So that was a real quick and easy video on how to unhide songs on Spotify. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.